After you create darts, you do have options to edit the darts. To access the menu for editing the dart, make sure that you are in Edit Pattern, and then left click to highlight your dart. If both legs of your dart are not selected, which sometimes happens, use your Shift key to select both legs of the dart. Once they're highlighted, right click on them and it says Edit Dart. We'll also talk about rotating dart later. Within the Edit Dart function, you can now change the width of your dart. Let's say we want it to be 1 inch. You can change the length of the dart. Let's make it 4. And uncheck the dart cap shaping, which will just have the system create the shape of the cap that is appropriate. When you hit OK, it'll change your dart. Alternatively, you can edit the dart by changing the points of the dart. So I can go back into my Edit Pattern tool, go over, just highlight my vanishing point of my dart with a single click, and then left click hold to drag it to a new location. When you click on it, you can still get the option to edit the dart. And if it's fine, you can leave it where it is. However, sometimes that does put it back where it originally placed it. So you can then instead drag it down to where you'd like it and just hit OK. You may need to do some additional tweaking of the lengths of the legs here. You can see how long they are in order to create the correct length of your darts. But these are the basics. You can drag each of the darts of the legs. Do make sure that your dart legs are the same. And you'd have, sometimes, like I said, it will force the dart into a different position if it prefers that, and it's basing that on the symmetrical length of those dart legs. So you can see it's moved it again. Once you're finished doing any rotations or changes, you'll see these baselines remaining. While you are in Edit Pattern, right-click on your pattern piece, which will bring up a menu. You can unlock all baselines, and you can select which ones you'd like to delete specifically. So if it's asking, you might have to use your window to see which ones are being highlighted, but you can begin to delete the extra baselines that are there. Okay, and anything else that is not required or is in your way. Once you're done doing all those changes, you can go back and lock all baselines so that they don't change again.